This time of year, we love fresh flowers in our homes, and this month it's all about tulips and daffodils.
I love cutting fresh daffodils out of my garden, but one thing we need to be careful about is after we cut those daffodils, it gets covered with this sappy little dripping on it. And once those go into a vase, what that can do is if you're mixing your flowers together, that sap will prevent the other flowers from taking on water, and tulips will dry up quicker. And another good tip, Judy, is after you've cut your daffodils, you'll be left with all that sticky residue on your clippers. You want to make sure you sanitize that before you go prune something else.
Ah, great idea. And you know, for tulips, if you do get them at the store, they usually come in a plastic sleeve and they're rubber band at the bottom. Make sure that you give them a fresh cut and then put the whole package into the water. The stems will absorb all that water and they'll be nice and strong and they won't flop over. The same thing if you do get them out of your garden, rubber band the bottoms together, give them a fresh cut, put them in the water, let them absorb all that water. They'll be nice and strong, they won't flop, and you'll have a beautiful arrangement. And these are just a few tips that you'll have beautiful tulips and daffodils in your home this spring.